Big cats are synonymous with very terrible beasts. Even though they both have an aggressive nature and a dangerous role, all big cats have different voices and roars. At this opportunity, let's get to know big cat species' various kinds of sound. So, let's go! Number 1. Tiger. The tiger has a terrifying resolute roar. This sound that can make your heart dislodge is usually used by tigers to mark their territory. The cry can be heard up to a distance of 2 miles. Number 2. Lion. The lion is a cat with the loudest roar on earth. The roar of the lion sounds very thunderous and authoritative. The loud sound can be heard up to a distance of 8 kilometers. Number 3. Jaguars. According to its body size compared to tiger and lions, the jaguar's roar sounds smaller and thinner. Even so, the roar of the king of the Amazon forest sounds very scary. Number 4. Cougars. The cougar, also known as the mountain lion, is a large cat species that cannot roar. Their voices only sound meow meow, similar to an angry cat. But make no mistake that this cat is also a dangerous big cat, just like any other big cat. Number 5. Leopard. A leopard has a very sharp sounding roar. The roar of a leopard just sounds thinner than a jaguar, but because of this, it makes the roar of a leopard sound more sinister. Number 6. Snow leopard. Just like a puma, the snow leopard cannot roar. The snow leopard has a cat-like voice when it is squealing and purring. However, in its habitat, this sound is a bad omen for its prey. Number 7. Cheetahs. Even though it has the title of animal with the highest speed in the world and has a scary form as the fastest predator, but the fact is the cheetahs cannot roar. Cheetahs have a unique mix of sounds. Sometimes its voice is like a soft and cute cat, but sometimes it sounds like a bird singing. Number 8. Clouded leopard. The clouded leopard has the voice of an angry cat. Its smallest body compared to other big cats makes the clouded leopard look like a jungle cat. So, those are sounds of the big cat species. According to your opinion, which sounds from the big cat do you like the most? You can leave your answers in the comments down below, guys. So, thank you and see you!